September 10th, Sunday, 23rd Sunday of the year. God's presence in us. For where two or three are gathered in my name, I am there among them. Since God has created us, He is present in each one of us. Hence we can acclaim that we are the reflection of God's indwelling presence. All of us are responsible for manifesting God's presence in us, and through our words and deeds of love and compassion towards others, thus bringing change and transformation in the lives of many, especially those who are deviated from the way of the Lord. All the reading of the day throws a light on the presence of God in each one of us, His creation. Often when some of us are distracted or deviate from our true and innate identity because of our hard-heartedness and negligence, we need to put effort in restoring our real identity collectively. The reading suggests us the right way to recognize the work of the living God in us and through us. It is not we alone, but God communicates the message of His presence to others. This may help all to experience the change, newness, and transformation in their lives and live in peace and harmony with one another, and continue to share this witness value of God with others as well. Do our words and deeds exhibit the presence of God to others? Are we faithful to our Creator? Pray and practice. Lord, give us the grace to recognize Your real presence in each one of us, so that we may be able to take up challenges in our life and give witness through our lives.